welcome back to a third video for my 4.4 pre-calculus class. Okay. If you watched video number 2, which is they gave you an angle, they asked you to find the value on the sine and the cosine. For this one, they want you to find the angle. So they're going to give you something like this. All right. So they said sine of what angle is -1/2. So if you see something like this, they are asking you to find the angle. So let me write that for you. So sine is the y. Okay. So you have to say y value of what angle? So you're looking for the angle. I'm going to put question mark here. So the y value of what angle is already set to be -1/2. All right. So now if you just look at all that, let me move that to the side so I can pull over my unit circle. So the unit circle is this here. So -1/2 on the y. Let's look for those. Don't know if you can find all of them. I kind of hide all this because that's what I do when I teach my real class. This is the virtual class, so it's not a real class. All right, so anyways, let me shrink this down, waste my time a little bit. All right, okay, so here we go. The sine, which is the y. The y is -1/2 when it's down this way. So you can see that there's 1 here. There's 2 of them, by the way. So there is 1 here. So let me get maybe the green color for my pen. So there's 1 here, -1/2, and there's also 1 here, -1/2. So the angle that has the y with -1/2, actually there are 2 of them. So the angles that have the y value being -1/2 are your 7 pi over 6 and 11 pi over 6. So that's what you write down for the answer on your theta. 11 pi over 6. You can put pi on top of the fraction or next to the fractions. And also 7 pi over 6. Okay? So that's your angle theta. The end. That's it. That's all you got to do. So I'll show a couple more examples and we'll just wrap up the video. It's been 3 minutes now. All right, so let me pick a good one. Here's a good one. Here's a good one. So if I have to write the question in English, it would be something like this. And again, I don't speak English. I'm from Laos, so my accent is still really thick. So there you go. I'll never shed that the accent there. I love it. So anyhow, so I'll spell this out. What am I trying to write? What angle is I lost the way I'm gonna pose the question. All right. Oh, okay. I got it. I'm gonna have to backtrack here. I'll write this down anyway. So the x value of what angle? It should be 2 of them, but most likely they are. What angle is, right? So I should put S here, is √3/2. Or it should be R √3/2. Okay? Just don't get my grammar in there. Like I said, I'm teaching math. So here we go. All right, so I'm going to use my unit circle again one more time for this question. So it's going to be, where is my angle when the x value is root 3 over 2. That's not it. I don't want negative. So I see 1 here. All right, the x value is root 3 over 2, and I see 1 more there. So the x value is root 3 over 2. So I'll just name the angles for them, for the question or for the answers. So the answer for your theta in this problem is your pi over 6. And also your theta is root 3 over 2. There are 2 of them, so you can say and. All right, there are 2 angles. You can't just say 1 angle. Okay, I could show you a calculator work. So let's see. I'm on my radian mode, so I should be okay. So I'm just gonna type in cosine. All right, we're just clear. Cosine of, so I got the angle, pi over 6. Cosine of pi over 6. Is that the same as root 3 over 2? Yeah. 0.866 is root 3 over 2. If you don't believe that, you can double check your calculator one more time. I'm a believer until I see it, right? I have to see my calculator. I trust this thing more than myself. All right, so you can prove yourself with that other one. You can say, well, what is the cosine on, oh, wait, what did I say? This is not the right answer. And this one, the theta, pi over 6 and 5 pi over 6. All right, I almost caught myself making stupid mistakes here and left it without saying anything. It's the angle you wrote down, not the numbers, okay? 11 pi over 6, there we go, another mistake. 11 pi over 6, okay? I'm not gonna redo my video, invested 7 minutes on this already, so make that correction. So it's that pi over 6 and 11 pi over 6. Somehow my brain just told me to write that root 3 over 2 here. I'm really bad with that. Okay, adios for now.